If you're promoting products on your website, creating attractive product boxes manually can take a lot of time. That's why we introduced smart displays and our new integration with AMZ Connect. In this video, we'll show you how to automatically import Amazon product information directly into your smart displays in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Smart displays are customizable product boxes that you can embed anywhere on your WordPress website. You can insert them using a short code or the Gutenberg block and use them inside blog posts, reviews, tutorials, and resource pages. AMZ Connect is ClickWhale's Amazon integration for smart displays. Instead of manually entering product information, AMZ Connect fetches live Amazon product data directly into your smart displays. This includes product title, product image, product description, product price, Amazon buy link. This makes creating affiliate product boxes much faster while helping keep your product information accurate and up to date. Now, let's connect AMZ Connect to ClickWhale. First, navigate to ClickWhale, Settings, Integrations. To use AMZ Connect, you'll need an API key. You can purchase an AMZ Connect subscription and receive your API key from amzconnect.io. Now, paste your API key. Once connected, you'll see the connected status. Next, select your default Amazon store. This determines which Amazon Marketplace will be used when creating new smart displays. Then enter your Amazon Associates tracking ID. This ensures that any purchases made through your smart displays are properly attributed to your Amazon Associates account. Under Output Settings, you can also customize the button text, the number of description bullet points displayed, whether long descriptions are truncated or expanded with a Show More toggle. Once everything is configured, click Save Changes. Now let's create a new smart display. You can also edit an existing smart display if you'd like to add an Amazon product to it. Inside the editor, you'll see the AMZ Connect panel. This is where you'll import your Amazon products. Enter the product's ASIN, Amazon's unique product identifier. Next, select the marketplace and click Fetch Product. Within seconds, ClickWhale imports the product title, image, description, price, and buy link directly from Amazon. You'll also see a live preview to verify that everything looks correct. If you'd like to customize the product title, simply enable the checkbox below the title field. Once enabled, you can edit the title and replace it with your own text. You can also rename the product using the name field. This name is only used internally within the admin list and block editor to help you identify your smart displays. If you'd like to customize the product description, simply enable the override with custom value checkbox below the description field. This allows you to edit the imported description and replace it with your own text. You can also customize the button text to better match your content or call to action. Simply enter your preferred text, and it will be displayed on the button in your smart display. Once you're happy with the imported product information, save your smart display. You can then insert it anywhere on your website using the Smart Display shortcode or the Gutenberg block. And that's it. You now have a beautiful Amazon product box powered by live Amazon data. With smart displays and AMZ Connect, creating Amazon affiliate product boxes takes only a few clicks. Whether you're publishing product reviews, building resource pages, or creating recommendation articles, AMZ Connect helps you showcase products faster and keep your content up to date. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ClickWhale tutorial.